it's Sergey, and today we will solve the problem on Leetcode and quiz. We have in the input we have an integer m, and that integer m is the size of the board, of the chessboard. We need to see how many of the solution we need to send the solutions of the puzzle about them. We in the board we need to put queens, but the and queens in n board. So they won't attack each other. We remember that from the chess that they beat like this, like this, like this, and like this. We will put them in one row, one row. They attack each other. Call the negative diagonal. And the positive diagonal. So, of the negative diagonal, I already have some numbers, what will help you to understand this problem. Here's our board, size 3. Here, it's 0. Here, it's 1. Here, 1, 2. So this is a one diagonal, so the numbers are equal. Here, 2, 2, 2, equal, 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 equal. And with the positive, we not need to add row plus column. We need row minus column. I won't explain it to you that. It's like this. And today, the solution will be of a backtracking, and in the end we'll write in a program. I have another problem here, and things too. I already solved it before, and here we need only to have the count of it, and here, as you can see, this solution is very good because it's working because the constraints is it's before the 9, and in the end, so we'll make a problem like this. But for this problem, for that problem, not in quiz 2, but in quiz. First of all, we need to have a whole set, negative diagonal set, and a positive diagonal set. Negative is R plus C. R plus C, R minus. R is row, C is count. Backtrack. R is row. If R equals M, then we have a copy, and that will be the copy of the board. Rest up and copy, return, and copy. Here will be I this that join I for I in board. But what is the board? Nothing. Board is this, the dot, and for multiply n for I range n. That means that we'll make an chessboard of the size n. Then here we make it in a copy like this and return it. But and else, what will we do? We'll run by the columns and see if C equals or in columns or R plus C in negative diagonals or R minus C in positive diagonals, then Then we'll continue the searching. Else we didn't catch on. Then we need to do a backtrack. This is the main. So here will be the main code of the backtrack. The backtracking is the pattern. Here we need to call that at C. Negative diagonals at R plus C. Positive diagonals at R minus C. A board by RC equals 2. Then backtrack recursion in the next row, and then the backtracking is we do all the opposite from what we did before. Remove R plus C plus remove R minus C board R by C equals 2 equals this. Then we just need to do this. Oh, I forgot that we need to make a rest. Then we'll backtrack from the first row and then return the rest. Hold on, let's check. It's worked. And now I showed you this problem. So let's generate the problem. And new result. Let's make an you need to do it only in PyCharm or else it won't work. You paste our code here. And then what do? File this. Here all the starting, for example, for our class solution. Then one tab. Then how the problem is called. Solvent queens. Self M. Then we don't do anything. We for in range from 1 to 10, that means from 1 to 9. This is our constraints, as you can see. And what will we do then? Then after that, we will do something very different. 1 second, and I want to tell you something. When we'll do it, when we will pass the code, the Leetcode has a little. If the string is bigger than 1,000 of symbols, you see 10,000 of symbols, he stop to do it. So to do it, we need to do str this that join res but res, but as you understand, he will be the list. So I need to turn it into this string for I in res. So str this and then this, as you can see. And finally, we need to add our patterns. So we did that. Let's continue generating our file. File plus this tab. Oh no. Then what will we do? File plus if m equals here it's f string equals imp this, then now here this plus tab 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. It will be 3 tabs and then return, and here will be the final part. Are the this normal class that solvent prints imp, and that's all. And that's all. Then we this open program pi writing with then coding UTF-8 as f dot write lines file done. Let's do it. Well, run the program. Close the program, and then I'm opening it again, so everything will be updated. Oh, here. Oh, I didn't already something like it. You see? But it's not mine. Oh, not new project. But open. What we did now. Let's see what's in our program. You see? Oh, look at it. Look at it. It's so winning. So, we're copying this, paste, submit. Let's see what our solution looks like. Accepted. And I've got the most fast solution. So, I hope the video was very interesting for you, but we didn't do something. As you can see, here is this, and it's very hard, easy to make the program for this. Just here we need to return len res, and then do this again. Done. Paste here again. Solving the problem solvent queens. Queens 2. O. Here. For example, like this. Copy this. Equals. And let's check the second problem about 10 queens. About the queens. All done, and I've got the most fast solution to in this problem. But let's see what is the most fast solution. It's just like mine. Just here added not needing screen. So I hope the video was very interesting for you, and for me it was very interesting to code that program and wait for the next videos. Goodbye.